DGPS, Differential Global Positioning System, surveyors in Rohini play a crucial role in gathering accurate spatial data for various construction and infrastructure projects. These surveyors utilize advanced technology and equipment to determine precise coordinates and elevations of specific points on the Earth's surface. By using the DGPS system, they are able to achieve high levels of accuracy and reliability, making them an essential resource for any construction or development project in Rohini. One of the key advantages of using DGPS surveyors in Rohini is their ability to provide real-time positioning information. This means that the surveyors can collect data on the spot and immediately assess the accuracy of the measurements. With this information, they can make necessary adjustments and ensure that the data collected is reliable and of high quality. By utilizing the DGPS technology, these surveyors can significantly reduce the margin of error in their measurements, leading to more accurate and precise results. In addition to real-time positioning, DGPS surveyors in Rohini also offer a wide range of services related to spatial data collection and analysis. They are skilled in using various software applications to process and interpret the data collected during the survey. This enables them to create detailed maps, models, and visual representations of the surveyed area. These outputs are invaluable for architects, engineers, and other professionals involved in the design and planning of construction projects. SCON Design is a company that specializes in providing comprehensive surveying and engineering services in Rohini. They have a team of highly skilled DGPS surveyors who are experts in their field. These surveyors are trained to use state-of-the-art equipment and technologies to ensure accurate data collection. SCON Design takes pride in delivering reliable and precise results to their clients. Differential Global Positioning System, DGPS, surveyors in Rohini are essential to the collection of precise spatial data for a range of infrastructure and building projects. These surveyors use cutting-edge tools and technology to pinpoint the exact coordinates and elevations of particular locations on the surface of the Earth. They are able to attain great levels of accuracy and dependability utilizing the DGPS technology, making them a crucial resource for any building or development project in Rohini. Utilizing DGPS surveyors in Rohini has a number of benefits, one of which is their capacity to offer real-time positioning data. As a result, the surveyors are able to gather information on the spot and evaluate the precision of the measurements right away. With this knowledge, they may adapt as necessary and guarantee that the data they acquire is accurate. The collection of precise geographical data is essential for a variety of infrastructure and building projects, and DGPS surveyors in Rohini play a key part in this process. To calculate the exact coordinates and elevations of certain sites on the surface of the Earth, these surveyors make use of cutting-edge technology and equipment. They are an indispensable resource for any